Moving on to second one, counting people. So we are back to Black Friday again. It can be useful in a lot of scenarios. From security purposes, we can identify the number of people in a given setting and find out whether it is safe within the constraints, or it could be used in retail and marketing use cases, where estimating the footfall in a store is very important. Often people resort to approximations or estimates, saying this might be the count of people who are coming in during this the shopping season. So with this crowd counting approach, we are able to pass these camera feeds and get more accurate counts of people who are stepping in, how many of those conversions are happening. So all of this can be found out. So we followed a similar approach. In fact, when we did this as a pilot, we were curious to find out how it would fare. So we took up the model which was trained on penguins. Without training it on people, we took it up and then ran the same model. It gave decent results. So it was able to identify the people and score it. Perhaps it's something to do with the structure, the hands versus wings, something the model was able to find the similarities, and it was able to score on a similar way. And then eventually we took up the Shanghai Tech paper, which has very rich annotations of hundreds of thousands of people. Humans annotated, and ground truth is available. We took that and then trained the model. We used a similar cascaded CNN approach, and we trained the model, and here are the results, where you can see that it fairly works in different kinds of settings. If there are other objects, buildings coming to the purview, it doesn't get misled by that. And the heat maps show all those, the high density regions also. Particularly the next one, you can see that farther behind there is high density, and then you see those shaded portions. So this is something which can be plug and play work, used across these kinds of animals or similar kind of shapes. So that's one learning, where if you have similar kind of shapes, you will be able to either directly use it, or you can use transfer learning, where whatever has been done there, pick up those 3-4 layers initially and then apply to the second scenario.